Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the clouds winning out a better part of the day, though most locations were dry. The exception, southern half of the state, especially westerly, had some scattered showers still ongoing. Dry in New Bedford and quiet with mainly cloudy skies. There was some sunshine in Providence. Is it still there? There you go. Look at that. Is really cool. Let me step out of the way. So a solid overcast, but you just have that little sliver there with some blue skies and some sunshine. Just before sunset. But most areas are cloudy, but this is a trend that while there is moisture in the low part of the atmosphere, the upper part of the atmosphere is actually dry. So I do expect some of these clouds to be slowly melting away this evening and during the overnight. Mid and upper 50s, very uniform temperatures. Most spots coming in around 58 degrees. New Bedford now at 60. So mainly dry tonight with gradual clearing. Temperatures overnight dropping into the upper 40s to low 50s. Maybe a touch of fog after midnight. Tomorrow, still a pick day. More in the way of sunshine. It's a little milder, mid and upper 60s. Make the most of it. Still, unfortunately, and here we go again, forecasting some rain for both Friday and into Saturday, or at least some showers, with Sunday being the drier day, though it is quite windy on Sunday. We'll see that in the 7-day forecast. So the only shower activity that we have is out towards southeast Connecticut, Rhode Island border, like Hope Valley, Richmond, Westerly. It's been stalled here for like 2-3 hours, and a few more showers offshore, though most areas right now are dry. And this activity should be winding down next couple of hours. New England, central and northern, a few isolated showers here and there. The weather system that we're tracking for both Friday and Saturday can clearly see the spin in the atmosphere across the northern plains, and this will approach Friday afternoon and into Friday night and Saturday. When we take this into the future, well, first of all, as this approaches, there's going to be moisture coming up the coastline on Friday as well. So that's why the shower chances do increase on Friday. We'll take this over the next couple of days. Here we are Thursday morning at around 11 a.m. That system is across the Great Lakes, but look at that. We squeak out some sunshine up and down the East Coast, looking good. This approaches as early as Friday morning. Clouds on the increase, moisture coming up the coastline. This is late Friday morning, early Friday afternoon, with showers working in. That'll continue into Friday night. Now, when we jump ahead to Saturday morning, there'll be another area of low pressure offshore. If there's any upside to Saturday, it's not raining every hour of the day, but the risk of showers is there with this storm system offshore, and then blustery, drier weather returning on Sunday. Here's a close-up look for this evening and overnight. It's generally quiet. Looking at temperatures dropping to the middle 50s at 6 a.m. See, this little sliver of gray doesn't look like much, but a little bit of fog along the coastline early. That'll burn off, and notice more in the way of sunshine. This is more like it. Mid-60s, just some fair weather clouds mixing with the sun. Certainly brighter than today. Looking okay late in the afternoon, and here we are tomorrow evening, relatively quiet. Late tomorrow night, we'll start to see some clouds on the increase. So the forecast for this evening, any isolated showers early along the south shore ending. Clouds will gradually melt away. But again, after midnight and towards sunrise tomorrow morning, right in here, 6-7 a.m., perhaps a little patchy fog, but burning off rapidly to sunshine, a much nicer day. During the afternoon, looking at temperatures that are in the middle to upper 60s, sunny skies and fair weather clouds. Bay forecast, the wind is picking up a little bit out of the southwest at about 10 to 15 knots. All right, 7-day outlook showing the showers moving in on Friday, continuing Friday night and into Saturday. Unfortunately, it dries out for Sunday, but it's a windy day, partly cloudy, and temperatures in the upper 50s. So leaning towards Sunday as being the slightly, well, not perfect, but being a slightly better day in the upper 50s.
All right, Tony, thank you. Still ahead on 12 News at 5, the IRS is testing